Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into cPanel from HarmonWeb clients area. So let's get started. So the first step is to log into your HarmonWeb account, that's your HarmonWeb clients area, using your username and your password. Now from your HarmonWeb account, you click on services. From here, you select your particular domain name. Now mine is demotutorial.yt. I'll click on manage. From here, we'll scroll to the one-click login section. From here, we can see the cPanel option here and other options here like your file manager, phpMyAdmin, and also webmail. Here you click on cPanel. So this takes you to your cPanel account. From your cPanel, you can also log out from your account by clicking this option here, and you click on logout. So thank you for watching today's video. I hope today's video has helped you out. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you.